Hey y'all, so I am in the laundry room of our $50,000 lake cottage, and it is time to tear all of this out and start over from scratch. Now, if you've been here for a while, then you'll know that at one point my foot fell through the floor here right after we first bought the house, and Tommy had already put new wood plywood down, so we're not going to have to do that today. I'll put up a picture to show you whatever pictures I have to show you the state of the floor when we first tore it out, moved in, whatever. And it is a big improvement in here from when we first bought the house, but it is not where we ever intended for it to be. So we're going to start the renovation today to get it to where I can actually store things in here. And while it's not my dream laundry room, we are going to get it to a state where we will feel better once we put the house on the market, because it is our intention, our 5-year plan, to sell the house and get more land, because Tommy wants cows and I want some goats. I haven't had goats in several years, and I might even get sheep again. So anyway, today we're going to take down the shelves that we do have. Let me show you. Let me take the camera and turn it around off of me and show you what we got going on here. All right, so this is the plywood that I had painted. We had put up a door to keep the dogs from coming in here and scratching on our bedroom door. We had put in this cabinet here, but it's not permanently attached to anything. It's just kind of hovering between the washer and dryer. There was a door here that we closed off and put some temporary paneling up there just until we had time to come back and remodel this room. We had put up that shelf and we had put up those 2 shelves. But my idea, let me step back here, is we're gonna have a shelf, 2, and then a 3rd shelf here. And not sure what we're gonna do on this side. If I was gonna stay here, I would put the washer and dryer on this outside wall here and let the dryer vent out that way. Because if you can see, I don't know, can y'all see? You have to go from here all the way out to the wall, and it's hard to get the, if this thing tears, then you've got lint going everywhere. So anyway, this is how they did the plumbing. It just comes straight out of the wall. So we're gonna have to fix that. This is all paneling that's coming out. Of course, that will come out. All of this, which we have never put trim back on once we tore it off. All of this is going to get torn off. Yep. So the drawers will probably stay here, but Tommy's going to put the dryer on this side and the washing machine on this side, supposedly. We'll see once he gets in and we tear out all the walls and see what they got going on here. For all we know, that may be galvanized plumbing back there in the wall instead of PVC. We'll see. So this is where the laundry room makeover begins, and I'm going to start with getting all my junk out of here. I did not bother to clean it before I started this video because we believe in showing the good, the bad, and the ugly. You know, sometimes things aren't all that pretty, but I'm excited to get all of this redone. So here we go. Let me get my stuff out. All right, Tommy's gonna start taking these shelves down now.
You never pay enough?
We didn't?
No.
Huh. You mean me? I never painted them. Well, they're all going to be black from here on out, so we're going to get painted anyway. It has what?
Water that goes to the dryer.
For the steam thing?
Yeah.
What's that gonna mean?
None.
Did we get the wrong box for the wall?
No. No. The Y's down here on this hose.
Oh, okay.
Now we're going to disconnect all the plumbing stuff for the washer and the dryer. Good Lord.
It's just stuck to the paint on the floor.
I know.
Okay, so the top comes off.
I know it does.
Okay. I'm just letting you know. In case you...
Free it up.
Probably one of them times the load got unlevel,
yeah.
And it was vibrating the whole house.
Yeah.
That trim might be all that's holding this house together. Is that like roach droppings falling out of there or what? That's so nasty. Oh my God. Oh my God. And we're breathing in this stuff. And I can smell the nasty. It's like damp. That was an interesting panel. I'm guessing they had to cut it open at some point.
Yeah, I would say so.
And they just patched it like that?
Yeah.
Well, alrighty. Now what?
Just keep moving around the room. This is one piece. I wasn't sure. I just started grabbing hold of it and it had a little place, so I figured I'd start pulling on it.
Why don't you just pull on it?
Oh.
It's not like we're afraid we're gonna break it. I ain't reusing it. That 1979 Krusty Krab's going in the trash can.
I don't think there's any studs other than just a few of them in here. I know there's not.
Oh, don't tell me that. That means more money.
Oh, I guarantee you there's one. Two. That's an exterior wall. I think I did that one when we tore the side of it off.
Mm.
This is the part that's gonna scare me.
What? Like a mouse coming out of there? I haven't seen any mice here in years.
Not a mouse.
Like a raccoon or something? Oops.
They say.
We built this life from the ground up, hand in hand. Through the laughter, through the tears, we took a stand. Brick by brick, love made its way. In every little corner, I see you every day. With every moment, with every dream we chase, we've created something that no time can erase. In the house we made, there's love in the air, a place where forever we'll always be there. Through every storm, through every sunny day, Debbie, together we found our way. In the house we made, with your heart and mind.
Yeah, I was just wondering if there was dead bodies or something back there.
It's standing the test of time. Walls filled with memories, rooms filled with grace. A lifetime of moments we'll never replace. Every laughter that blows, every tear that falls. In the house we made, love answers all. With every promise, with every vow we say, in this home I know we'll always stay. In the house we made, there's love in the air, a place where forever we'll always be there. Through every storm, through every sunny day, Debbie, together we found our way. In the house we made,
You made yourself a handle.
our love is the foundation. It's standing the test of time. We built more than walls, we built a life. In every room I'm proud to call you my wife. With each passing year, with every stride, the house we made is where our hearts collide. In the house we made, there's love in the air, a place where forever we'll always be there. Through every storm, through every sunny day, Debbie, together we found our way. In the house we made, with your heart and mine, our love is the foundation. It's standing the test of time. The house we made, our love will never fade. Debbie, you and I, in the life we lay, with every step always fight, that the house we made is a love so kind.
That's why I love demo. Oh.
Oh, what? What's wrong?
Insulation gonna fall.
Oh. Is that all roach poop and rodent poop?
Probably.
That is vile. That is absolutely disgusting. Gonna have hantavirus or some stuff. Alright, I'm gonna finish vacuuming out all the roach and mouse poop and spider webs. And then we will be done with the demoing of the laundry room. Man, this is nasty. So now that we've gotten everything torn out, we're going to replace that light up there from 1968. And it's going to be dark in here, so I can't record it. So I will show you the after. And hopefully that bee will be gone by then. I don't know if y'all can see him. But anyway, we'll be back when Tommy's replaced the light. Because it's so dark in the house, I thought I'd bring this outside and show you the light that we chose to go in the laundry room. And there you go. And here it is after everything has been pulled out. We're back down to the studs. There's the new light, which you can't really see. But now we're ready to start putting everything back again. So that's going to be the end of the demo part of this video. We're going to stop it here because we have to go back to work, and next weekend we have Easter, so we won't be able to work on it then. Tommy might work on it on Wednesday. We'll have to see. Bunch of barking dogs. But anyway, hopefully we'll get back to putting everything back in, putting the shiplap walls up within the next couple of weeks. So sorry that Tommy is not very talkative. He's all about getting in there and getting the work done and doesn't have time for a lot of chit chat. So hopefully you can figure out what's going on just by watching what he's doing, and you don't need a bunch of fluff, a bunch of words put in there, because he's not about all that. He's just a man's man that gets in there and gets the job done. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on our next video.